Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now for this we will need a cable and a computer. So you're going to plug in the cable to your computer and then simply connect it to your phone. And from here I'm going to quickly lock the device just so you can see that I do have a pattern set. There we go. And I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. So what we want to do at the beginning is hold the power key and volume down at the same time, and you do want to kind of keep the screen lit up, just fiddle with it just so it stays lit up, because when you're holding those two keys it will forcibly shut off the device, and you want to see when the screen turns off, at which point once that happens and to switch from volume down to volume up. For some reason the phone is constantly connecting to my computer, so let me quickly mute that. There we go. Okay, so let's get started. Go to here and start pressing power key and volume down. I'm going to hold the lock screen just so it doesn't turn off. There we go, it turned off the screen, so switch to volume up instead of volume down. And there we go, as you can see we are now in the recovery mode. So in here you want to use volume keys to navigate in order to select wipe data factory reset. There we go, and confirm it with power key once it's selected, and select factory data reset. At the bottom you should see data wipe complete, right here, second and last line, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more to initiate the reboot. Additionally, you can also unplug it, the cable isn't needed anymore. Give it a moment, and now it's gonna take a little bit longer than it normally does for the device to turn on. That's just because it's continuing the factory reset in the background, and once it's finished then it should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process has been finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.